Hello guys, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. My name is Krishna Rai and today in this video I'm going to cover a very important topic which is IoT cloud platforms. So I'm going to talk about IoT cloud platform, and in this video I'm going to show you one hands-on activity where I'll be using ESP32 board for controlling the LED, and this LED I'll be controlling over the cloud using Arduino IoT cloud platform. So let's start the video, and in this video I'm going to show step by step how you can create your account on Arduino IoT cloud platform, and then how you can create the things, how you can attach the devices, then how you can get the code, and then how you can go ahead to control the LED. So as you can see in the screen, on the screen the first image is Arduino IoT cloud. This is how the dashboard looks, and this is how you can create lot of widgets. You can see there is a image button is there for LED control, humidity sensor data is there, then temperature sensor data is updating, and then also you can see the graph. Now coming to Arduino IoT cloud, so here you can see in this image it is clear that there is an Arduino board which is a device, then that device is actually connected to Arduino cloud, and then all the data you can see in the mobile app. The good thing about Arduino IoT cloud platform is it's actually available in mobile app also, and web app is also there. So going forward in the next slide I will explain you how what are the benefits are there for Arduino IoT cloud platform. You can see this is how you can actually send the sensor data on the cloud, and you can retrieve the data from the cloud, and these all things you can see in mobile view as well as you can see in web. These are some benefits of using cloud platform which is Arduino Cloud IoT. So it also supports, the good thing about Arduino IoT cloud is it support Arduino editor, and which is cloud edited. So if in your system you don't have Arduino IDE installed, instead then also you can actually do the coding and you can compile your program, you can upload the code. So you don't need to worry about the code and all, because this platform will actually generate a basic code. In that you have to just do a little bit of modification, and then you'll be ready with your program, and then you just need to plug your hardware, and then you'll be able to compile, and then you'll be able to upload the program. It also supports multiple boards, not only Arduino Uno boards. It supports ESP32 board, it supports ESP8266 board. Going forward I'll show how you can create an account and how you can select the board whatever you want to use for IoT. This is how the dashboard of IoT cloud platform looks. So the left hand side you can see there are multiple options: creating sketches, adding devices, adding things, and on the dashboard how you can add different widgets. I'll be showing everything step by step. These are the options available. Now let me take you through the Arduino cloud. So you just need to search Arduino. I'll just open again Arduino IoT cloud, you have to search, and then you have to open this first link, and after that you have to click on Arduino IoT cloud, this option. And then first thing is, whenever you use any cloud platform, the first job is to create the account. So I have already created my account. I'll just go through in this and I'll explain what are the things you need to enter for creating a new account. So here you have to put the birth date. You can put your birthdays, anything is fine, and then you have to put next, and then you have to choose your email ID. You can choose any email ID, and then username and password. My account is already created, so I'll just go back from this and then I'll do sign in. So I have done sign in. Now it will take me to the dashboard. Yeah, so this is a home page of Arduino Cloud platform. So when you come onto this, then the first thing is you have to add the devices. So let me add the devices. So today in this video I'm going to use a device which is ESP32 board, and using ESP32 development module I'll be controlling one LED over the cloud. So first thing is you have to do add device, and then here. So first option is Arduino boards. If you are using Arduino boards, select the option from here. But as I told, I'm going to use ESP32, so I'll select third party app, and then I have to select ESP32. Here I have to select the model. So I'm using ESP32 development module, so this is the option for my device. And then you have to give one device name. So let me tell RoboGen ESP32. And then this stage is quite important for you. So what you have to do when you come at this point, then you have to download one PDF, and on this PDF you will get a device ID, secret key, and this key will be very much useful when you create a new thing, when you will be doing the hands-on, when you create a lot of projects. Then I'll just download this PDF, and yeah, so this is something which is important. You have to save this folder, this file somewhere, so that whenever you need it, you take your secret key from this. You just need to copy and then you can paste. So I have downloaded this thing, and then you have to create. I saved my device ID and secret key, and then click on continue. Congratulations, you are all set to use this thing. So click on done. So you can see till now I haven't plugged any ESP32 board to this. So let me show you. This is the ESP32 board I have, and then I have already connected one LED. So I'll tell you the LED connection. The positive of this LED I have connected to pin number 2, and the negative of this LED I have connected to GND. I haven't used any resistor. So, and here is the cable. So let me connect the cable, and let me connect this board to my laptop. Okay, so now I hope you have heard the sound. It's connected to my laptop. Okay, now this thing is done. Device I have done. Okay, now we have to make a things. We have to create a thing. So create things, I have to click, and then it will open multiple options. Yes, so first thing is we have to create a variable. We need to create a cloud variable, and this variable is very much important whenever you want to control the LED. If you want to some sensor data, if you want to update, then you need some variable to store those things. For that, so at the moment I'm going to control the LED, so I'll name it LED. Variable data type you can select. As I told, at the moment I'm going to use just LED, so I'll just select light. So this is the variable name, and this variable is declared globally, and it's cloud-based variable, so you have to remember this name. This is what we are going to fetch in the code. And then here two options are given: variable permission, so we have to read and write both permissions. You have to click on this. By default it will be on that only, so just click on add variable, and that's it. The variable is created. You can see here. Now we have to select the device. So device, we have made this one, so you have to just click on associate. So the device which we had created earlier, this variable is actually linked with this with that device. And now one important thing is, don't forget to add your network, the SSID and password. So I'll just click on this, and here you have to basically write your username and password of your hotspot or of your Wi-Fi. Now Let me see my Wi-Fi password. Actually, I don't remember it. Yeah, that's it. So this secret key, as I told, for the secret key, the things which you have downloaded, the PDF file, you have to open that and then you have to see secret key for from there. Secret key is here, so I'll just copy this secret key from here. I'll just copy this thing from here and then I have to paste here. First letter is missing, so I'll just do actually I didn't copy the first letter, so let me copy this also. Okay, now it's copied and let me paste now. Yeah, done. Okay, now I have to just click on save. Oh, one mistake is there. The SSID username is this K small, so Krishna. Now it's correct. Yes. So make sure your SSID and password is correct, because if it is not correct, it won't connect to the cloud, it won't connect to the internet basically. Okay, so this is done. Now we have to just go to Sketch, and here you have the code ready. So this is a good thing about this IoT cloud platform. You'll get the code automatically. In this, you just need to add little bit, like at the moment I'm going to control the LED and the variable. Do you remember the variable, cloud variable? Its name was, the name of that was LED. So if LED equal to 1, so we are going to take a button. By the button I'll be sending 1 and 0. If LED equal to 1, if LED get 1 from the user, then what we have to do? We have to do digital write to high, because my LED is connected on pin number 2. So it depends. You can use any other pins also. But in void setup, you have to assign that pin. So let's add one line in void setup also. In this, you have to write pin mode to output, and there you go, to output done. And what we have written here, if LED equal to 1, 2 will be on, LED will be on, else LED should be off. So digital write LED low. So this is done, coding thing is done. Now we can actually compile our code. So this is how you can compile your code. So compiling and as well as uploading will take some time, because this is a cloud ID, not actual ID. And also it depends on the system. If you are using i5 and i7, it will be faster. Processing speed of system is actually will make the difference, uploading and compiling things. Also from here we can open a full editor. let me click here. It will actually take us on the full editor mode, and then from there it will be easy to do all the things. Also, the email ID which you have used to create the account, on that you will get a verification link. So you have to open your email ID and then you have to do the verification. You have to click on, because this thing is also important. So whatever you have used, whatever email ID you have used for registration, you need to open your email ID and then you have to click on confirm. This process is also important. So I'll just click on my mobile. I got verification mail here. You can see here I got this. Now I'm going to click confirm. I'm going to click on confirm. Confirm now. So I have done this. And the code is given here. One important thing is, for uploading via cloud platform, you have to install Arduino Client Agent. So I have already installed in my system Arduino Client Agent. If you don't have Arduino Client Agent, so what you have to do, you have to go to Arduino ID, and then not Arduino ID, you have to go on Arduino, and then you can just search Arduino Client Agent. If you want to use cloud-based ID, then you have to install Arduino Client Agent. Arduino Cloud Agent. Click on this, and then you have to do start, and then from here you can download for Windows. All option will be there. Okay, so you just need to select anything and then it will download. And once it will download, you have to install this. So in my system, Arduino Client Agent is already there, so I'll just open that. Let me open Arduino Client Agent. So you can see this one is already installed. So I'll just open this Arduino Client Agent, and it's visible here. You can see my Arduino client is visible here. Now let's come back to this ID. Yeah, ID is here. Here I have to select the ESP32. You have to select the port. Port is COM6. Okay, I have selected the port. Now the option is given to upload. Uploading option is given here, and then yes, this is a code: digital write too high, else digital write too low, and then 2 is initialize the output. So let me click on upload. Now uploading to this cloud-based ID will take some time. So let's wait. Once it will be uploaded, it will basically turn on the LED. But till now, I haven't created any button. So I have to create one button also. First, let this code upload it, and then we'll create one button to control this LED. Because as in the code, we have written if LED equal to 1, which means if the button will send 1, then only the LED will be on. Otherwise, the LED will be off. So we have to create one button also on the dashboard. I'll show that also. Now you can see it's showing busy. So basically uploading thing is going on. Also it will show one message: uploading is started on this area. So let's wait for that. You can see this side Arduino Client Agent is also this one is Arduino Client Agent. Basically it will show here. So you can see this is Arduino Client Agent. So on the background it will be actually running. And without Arduino client agent, you will not be able to see the Arduino ports here, and also you'll not be able to upload the program using Cloud ID. So it's kind of important things. Now you can see one message uploading is started, and after this installing driver, it is showing your system may have a dialog. Okay, click on OK, no issue. And you can see serial port COM6, that's good. Yes, and now it started. 7680, okay, 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 yes. So now uploading thing is done. So now let's get back to our IoT cloud portal again. We can actually go from here also. Just click here and then let's create one button on the dashboard. So I have clicked on dashboard. Now on the dashboard I'll be showing how to create buttons. Create dashboard, just click on this. It's very user friendly, anyone can understand, and the good thing about this is very simple to use, and it's very simple to create the devices, to create the things. So at the moment I'll just take a switch, and with this switch, see, I have taken the switch and now I have to link with a variable. So which variable we have taken? We have taken this variable. On change, it will give threshold 0. So link variable, click on this and then click on done. That's it. That's it. You have done the job. Now let me show you the output, because output is something which you will be looking at, right? Now if you can see the LED, I'm going to just trigger this, and what you can see here, the LED is on. Isn't it really interesting? Different network, then also you'll be able to control this LED. So that is a good thing about ESP32. Let me check why this LED is not turning off. So I'll just go back to basically sketch. Sketch is already open here, and let me see where is the problem. What code I have given? I have given LED low. Oh, because see guys, I have written LED low and actually it was too low. So due to this mistake, the LED was not getting off. So it was not problem of the basically dashboard. It was a problem of the code. Now I have done the changes. Now let me upload it again. Only the problem is uploading thing takes a lot of time, but also I think it depends on the internet connectivity. If you have a good internet connection, then I don't think it will take much time, and if you have good laptop configuration, if you are using i7, it will be good. So LED, I hope you can see here guys. Yeah, it's done. I am on the dashboard. From the dashboard, let me turn on this again. On the dashboard, yes, so you can see it's on and then it's off. On, off, on, off.